In this beginner's piano tutorial, we'll be having a look at legato playing, and especially we're going to apply this on the song called Seesaw. So what is legato? Legato means that we play smoothly and the notes connected. So we're not going to play short notes like so, or lift up after pressing down each note. The notes need to be smoothly and connected. So once this note is played, the thumb lifts up, and so on. So that they are always a connected or smooth sound that can be heard. To play legato, one finger must come up just as another goes down, just like I showed now. Like the ends of a seesaw, and that's the song we're going to do, like the ends of a seesaw. So, see-saw, 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 and so on. So let's have a look at how legato is played, and you'll see that in seesaw, we are going to play in C position. So remember the distance of the two white keys between the thumbs, right hand on middle C and pinky on C below. And we have this slur lines. This line across the notes means it's a slur line, meaning that it is a sentence of music that is played legato. Very important. So we need to play legato whenever we see these slur lines in music. So let's try this one. We are going to start with our second finger in the right hand. This is very, very important. Mezzo forte, and we're going to count 4 beats. So we're going to go D, E, D, E, D, E, F. And now second finger again, left hand. F, E, F, E, F, E, and again repeat. D, E, D, E, focusing on that seesaw movement, smooth and connected. When one finger goes down, the other one lifts up, and the left hand again. F, E, F, E, F, E, D. So playing it together with the duet to give you an idea of how beautiful it can sound. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my page and check out any other videos that might be useful. Thank you for watching.